How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you how you can give up IP address or give IP address to switch in Packet Tracer. So you want to configure your connection the way you want to, but to simply give the IP address to switch, we're going to use this connection called the copper straight through. And then you want to set up everything from your router to the switch and to the computers. So I'm going to use the fast Ethernet 0. And basically from there, navigate through your router first, look for the connection, and you can set your connection the way you want to. Now currently it is set to 192.168.5.1. So you can just apply the same thing for our computer. With this one, we're going to use 192.168.5.2 since this is the second device connected to this specific router, and then basically so on and so forth. And so that's how you give IP or give IP address to switch in Packet Tracer. You could just make sure that all of your addresses are set perfectly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.